Hello and welcome to today's trade recap. I'm super pissed off because literally now I was recording the fucking video and my AirPods was connecting to the PC and I didn't notice that, and after that the sound did not get recorded. So fuck, bro, I've been yapping for fucking 15 minutes and that shit did not get recorded. So wherever the fuck that is, today I'm going to cover up again this trade recap. I never ended up uh, winning or losing. I was break even at today, and I'm going to explain everything for you on what is the trade that I've took, what ended up playing out, what didn't, and all of that. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'm making a lot of effort in this shit. So support me, guys, please. And let's go straight into today's video. So starting off with the 4 hour. Hold on. Before starting up with the 4 hour, today I was interested in USD GPY, GBP USD, and GBP GPY, and those three pairs were giving me a good setup to enter. But I've preferred, at the end of the day, I preferred the USD GPY straight. Why? Because on the 4 hour we came up, we took out these Asian session highs, we took out these previous daily highs, and these draws on liquidity. So, and we closed below it. So we made the sweep and then we closed below it. However, on GBP GPY, we came up, we took out these Asian session highs, we took out these previous daily highs, and then we closed above it. So with that, I scaled down to the 1 hour time frame, and there was a bearish SMT divergence with the GBP USD. Here you can see, and after that, we did not close above that, which did not make a break of structure. However, on GBP GPY, we did close above that. I didn't like that price action. I didn't like GBP's GPY's price action in overall, but that setup did gave me something, and I'm going to show you something right now. Hold on. This was on GBP GPY, and this is the screenshot that I've took. Hold on. This was GBP USD, and this was on GBP GPY. I was aiming. We had that liquidity sweep breaker structure. I was aiming for retest in this breaker block and this potential fair value gap that is going to get created, and I was aiming for Asian session highs, previous Asian session highs. Oh no, this was before the aiming for Asian session lows, which is right here. Or no, oh yeah. These London session lows, and that literally to the fucking bottom, bro. And this was the setup of I was waiting for, and this was on USD GPY. I was aiming for a breaker structure, fair value gap, breaker block, and this is how the trade looked right when I entered this trade. I was aiming for these London social lows, and part of that it ended up doing well, but I'm going to explain you why did I prefer this on the other trade. So we had this bullish 1 hour fair value gap, which ended up being invalidated. So I scaled down to the 15 minute. I was waiting for breaker structure. We got that breaker structure right here. I was waiting for a continuation confluence. I didn't ended up finding a continuation confluence on the 15 minutes, so I scaled down to the 5 minute. I was having this bearish breaker block and this bearish fair value gap. So price ended up retracing into it, made a breakout structure, but that did not give me a good confidence to enter. So with that, there was a Drake candle to the upside, filling up this equilibrium, and after that we made a rejection off of that. So I was aiming for a breakout structure and the market structure shift with invalidating the bullish fair value bullish order flow. So right when we got that with a candle close below that level and invalidating this bullish order block, which turned into a breaker, I was saying, okay, I'm going to enter this shit. My stop loss was above these highs, which make the move invalidated, and I set it two take profits. One ended up being hit, the take profit one, and the take profit two never ended up being hitting. So I was not able to set my stop loss as break even because I didn't have a phone. I don't have a phone because I sold it to buy the crypto dip. I'm literally telling you the truth. I'm not fucking faking it. I literally sold my phone to buy the dip. Call me crazy, call me anything, but I really don't have a phone right now. I'm doing all the work with my laptop. So yeah, that shit costs me to be break even on the day. The profit that I've took on this take profit one did ended up losing on this, so I was zero at the day. I think $1 or something. That's nothing. So yeah, that was cover up the USD GPY. Actually on GBP GPY. No, that was on USD GPY, and the GBP GPY it ended up playing literally perfectly to the bottom with a 1 to 3.8, pretty much 1 to 4 risk to reward. I'm a little bit pissed off, but it is okay because I didn't like this trade in the first place because we had a candle close above the previous daily highs and we had equal highs, and yeah, but besides of that, everything ended up being perfectly. We had that liquidity sweep, breakout structure, retracement into breaker block with a fair value gap, and the retracement into equilibrium. Boom, 5-minute retracement, 1-minute breakout structure. Boom. I should have been entered right. Hold on. Yeah, that's right here. I should have entered right here. My stop loss where it should be right here above this breaker, and that shit I should have taken in take profit one at this price. I think it's equilibrium for the hourly candle, and targeting these London session lows. So the trade that I didn't took, it did ended up playing perfectly to the bottom, and the trade that I ended up taking shitting itself. Look at this price action, literally shitting itself. And I broke. I'm not going to lie to you. I broke today's. I broke a rule on trading between 12 and 2, but I couldn't resist. There was three great setups. USD. Look at this. Look at this setup on GBP USD. But I didn't like the fact that we are trading in an uptrend and taking a short, so I deleted that in my mind. But that was a good setup. So there was three good setups, and you can't, bro, you can't resist me from not taking a trade. So, I don't care. I literally don't care because I've took the risk, and I never ended up being losing. So I was right about my bias, at least. And yeah, that was everything. And I hope the sound is recorded right now, because if it's not recorded, I'm going to fucking put my schlong into your fucking face, and I'm going to touch you all if you don't like this video. What the fuck is this? You heard me right. I'm going to touch you if you are not going to like the video. So love and peace, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace out. What the fuck is that? Hold on. That was embarrassing. Peace out.